Hey there, I'm Tom, designer at Basedash, and I'm going to show you how queries work inside of our app. So I'm in this workspace for Doc Hunt, which is an app that allows people to easily share the apps they have pinned in their Mac OS dock. We built it as part of a hackathon, but it makes these demos really easy. So I'm in the All Apps table. I've got a view built to show all the different data inside of it, but I really want to know which apps are the most popular. Not easy to do that with filters or searching, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and write a query for that. So I'll hit New Query, and I'll select the Doc Hunt Postgres database here, and I'll just start typing. So select app ID, count, notice here I've got autofill, doc, item, because it's aware of my database, of course. Group by app ID, and I'm going to order them. Order count all descending, and I'll limit description descending. And then I'll limit them to 20 results. Hit Command Enter to run the query. I'm missing a comma. And there we go. So we've got a list of our table view of all the different apps, the top 20 apps with the amount of people who have saved them to their dock, which is helpful. But one of the nice things about Basedash is if it detects that you're using a group function, it will automatically make this bar chart for you. So I can see much more easily where the distribution of popular apps are. Let me go ahead and give this a title. I'll call this App Leader Board, and I'll be done editing it. By default, when you create a new query, it goes into your private section. So this is a section that's only accessible to you, just in case you're working through things or you have queries that you don't want anyone else in your team to have access to. But this one's pretty clandestine, so I'm just going to go ahead, give it an emoji, and then I'm going to move it to the Everyone team. And now it's at the top here, and I'm going to drag it into the apps section we have in the sidebar so that anyone who logs in is able to see this query, understand it, and maybe track things over time. We have one up here that shows a time series, the doc count over time. So we've got another visualization here that shows you how many people have pinned them. And the other nice thing is that you can set up a query to only run when you want it to. So let me go ahead and go into edit mode. I can run this query on page load. So when I click on the page in the sidebar, it'll load automatically, or I can turn that off. And then it'll show this no results yet. I can just hit run query, and it will do that for me. So let me show it again. Go here, run query, and then it runs. This is very helpful if you've got a query that takes a while to run, or if you don't want anyone to be running it accidentally. And then anyone inside of the Everyone team has access to that. And if you're interested in how teams work, check out one of our other videos about teams. You'll find that on our YouTube page. All right, thanks, and hope to see you in Basedash.